There are some that like the city. Grass that's curried smooth and green. Theaters and strangling collars. Wagons run by gasoline. But for me, it's horse and saddle. Every day without a change. And a desert sun ablazing on 100 miles of range. Just a ride, a ride. Desert rippling in the sun. Mountains blue among the skyline. I don't envy anyone when I'm riding. When my feet is in the stirrups and my horse is on the bust, with his hooves a flashing lightning from a cloud of golden dust. Just a ride, a ride. Splitting long cracks through the air, stirring up a baby cyclone, ripping up the prickly pear as I'm riding. I don't need no art exhibits when the sunset does her best, painting everlasting glory on the mountains to the west. I don't want no harps nor halos, robes nor other dressed up things. Just let me ride the starry ranges on a pinto horse with wings. All roads lead to Sturgis.